Hello again. So today I'm heading to a newly open, okay, not considered newly open, but it is a newly renovated. So they just reopened it again, Jurong Lake Garden. I heard that there is a pretty nice cafe right at the edge of the water and a pretty nice view overseeing the whole lake. So sit tight. Let's go and check it out. So this whole floating wetland is entirely new. It took them a couple of years to finish building this whole floating wetland, this whole platform, the walkway, everything. And there is a Starbucks coffee that is just right next to this platform. And one thing special about this cafe is, well, I don't work for Starbucks, but I can tell you this Starbucks cafe is pretty interesting because they allow pets, so you can bring your pets over to this Starbucks coffee. Just your home pets, any stray animals are not allowed, and it is overseeing the whole wetland, the whole lake here. So the evening view from here, I think it will be pretty interesting. Hopefully the weather will be good and I can show you guys what is the view that we are having while sipping a coffee, laying back, and a muffin or two. So let's check it out in a moment. Despite taking them a couple of years to finish this Jurong Lake Wetland, is it worth the wait? Yes. I totally see myself, well, too bad I don't live around this area. If not, I see myself taking a stroll by this floating platform once every few days, or even maybe every day. You know, take a stroll, enjoy the view, and maybe sometimes hang out at the cafe, at the Starbucks. Well, I cannot think of a better way to end it right here with this fantastic view right behind me. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.